Okay, let's do some more to get some help. Number 6 confuses people. We have calcium hydroxide and lithium carbonate. And the problem here is people don't recognize that carbonate is that polyatomic ion. So have to have out your polyatomic ion chart. And we have carbonate right here, which is CO3 with a 2- charge. So we have calcium hydroxide. There is no subscript, so I need to figure out what my subscripts are by crossing my charges. Calcium's a +2, that's in group 2. Hydroxide is a polyatomic ion. So when I crisscross applesauce, that is what my formula looks like. It doesn't tell me what if it's a solid, a liquid, or any of that, so I don't need that. And lithium carbonate. So lithium CO3, and make sure you put it in parentheses because that stays together. I have a +1 and a -2, so it'll be Li2CO3. Okay, reacts to form lithium hydroxide, and that's a +1 from group 1, a -1 from my charge, so everything's good there. And calcium carbonate, CaCO3, and that's a +2 and a -2, so those reduce, and these are my subscripts right there. There are no state symbols there because they didn't tell me what they are, and I don't expect you to know that. So I'm done writing everything. I figured out what my subscripts are by crisscrossing those charges, and now I just need to balance. So I have 1 calcium, 1 calcium. I have 2 hydroxides and only 1 there, so I'm going to put a 2 there. And now I have 2 lithiums and 2 lithiums, and I have 1 carbonate and 1 carbonate, and I'm balanced. So that's how you do that one. I want to go up 1 and just make sure if you were struggling with number 5, you have chlorine gas. That's Cl. But chlorine is a Brinkelhoff. It does never exist alone. So when it is alone, I've got to put a little 2 there. So make sure you did that on number 5. And then the last one we are going to do together is number 10 to make sure you understand those Brinkelhoffs. We have hydrogen gas plus nitrogen gas, and it's going to react to form ammonia. Okay, so what's wrong with what I wrote? First of all, I don't have to make any formulas, but my subscripts, when you see something that's alone and nothing's there, you have to check to see if it's a Brinkelhoff. Hydrogen is a Brinkelhoff, nitrogen is a Brinkelhoff, okay? And they told me that hydrogen was a gas, and they told me that nitrogen was a gas, and so there we have it. Okay, so now let's see. Hydrogen has 2 and 3. I know how to do this, so you can make them 6. That works. Okay, so I can put a 3 there, and I can put a 2 there, and when I do that, everything is balanced.